Komite Barim Katrat Arts and Culture jang kasar kajala ubah Sanbor Sulai nanti kasih oleh tu bayar umat dong sim tersing sim. Kalau jaga jaga beri berlatih Dhaka bat plia hakakan du tarik orang pang dah sembut macam nak kajala ubah Sanbor Har Komite Katrat Arts and Culture ubah Polongdo Komite jaga tarik kakak kakak ke Amparin Lyngngoh bergigi dia. Dah tu buning mau basana udah ubah mai pang hakapo borang long Menteri jaga tarik Arts and Culture. Dah tu bahagian syarat kemudian rugi jengthok kepada pendap baju sanction luka di mantai yang umat ubah Rynïeng setia umat ubah Tang Shiteng kembali peli menin kesini.
That too, it's already inaugurated, so I'm very happy, and the people of our state, especially the Khasi, Jaintia and Garo community, we are happy that after 52 years our statehood, yes, of course, I have initiated when I was art and culture minister. So at the end of the day, we have inaugurated it yesterday, and we have announced in the house. So this is the happiest moment to the people of Khasi, Jaintia and Garo people, and also the family members of Tirot, the Lyngngoh, and all the NGOs, the students, and the people at large.
Your idea was a full-size statue. But how come now it is only
Because I'm no more the cultural minister, I'm not aware of that.
Okay,
actually, during my time, based on the records, it's a full-size statue.
Also, why you could not go there? I mean, no invitations.
I got invitation, but I got invitation at the last moment. Yesterday only, when after assembly, when I went in the evening, so I saw invitation card on my table. So anyway, we are very happy. We are very happy.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.